Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply glow effect behind any object on CapCut PC. Mostly will work on sphere like objects or on like people. So go to mask and select circle, and I'm just going to mask the object. Go to library and you're going to select any color that you want on background. I just like selecting from this because it's easier. I'm then going to select this gradient background. Also just going to adjust it like this, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Go to circle again on the masks portion of the feature, and you're just going to feather it out. If it's too big, just hide it like behind the object, or just mask it a little bit instead. And now you'll have this like glowing kind of background. You can add in another color. For instance, I'm going to add in this yellow one again underneath that, and I'm going to just adjust it, so rotate it like that, select circle, and make it just like show just a little bit and feather that out. And you'll have this really cool multicolored kind of effect. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller because I feel like it's a little bit too harsh, and I want to actually feather that out, and I'm going to make it smaller so it's less harsh on the yellow, and I'm actually going to make the purple a little bit bigger, and you'll have this really cool effect. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!